Welcome to my channel. Welcome to the gang. If this is your first time here, welcome. I have a unit, again, that I bought with my ching. This unit, I'm sorry, this video is not sponsored. Look at all my wigs back here. Y'all see all of that? All my wigs. I got a unit that I got. Oh, you guys don't have to Google search it, because I can't remember why I got it, because I didn't write it down. I have a unit that's been on the YT, and it is... Oh, actually, I got it from Amazon. I did write it down. Amazon. It is from Amazon, and it is Sensational Butta Lace number 2. And she has been on the YT. I'm sorry, guys. Sees my lights. I already opened it up a while back to see what she looks like. She's long. I have her in a number 2. And she looks like that. So, let's see what she is about. These are the different colors you guys can get. Okay, features. She's HD lace, 100% premium fiber. Features, it is a undetectable HD lace, blends with most skin tones, ear-to-ear lace with a wide 5-inch deep hand-tied parting area, pre-plucked with baby hair along the hairline. Natural density hairline. So, and let's see how much heat you can put on here. I know it's, don't turn your curl lines up too, your heating tools up so high. And she is long. This baby is long. If I should combs, your standard cap. And you put it on, so see how tight it is on my head. She does fit. You do have room. It is big head friendly for our big head girls. You got some pre-pluckation here. Pre-plucked. All right, let's tip this baby. Let's cut the tag off. Let's fix her up. Bucaution. Cut. This to kind of help me guide as to how they can't see. Put off the lace. And that's it. Gonna use this. Let's put a let's bite at the unit. She is long. And she sheds a little bit. Here we go, guys. All right, guys, I gotta fix my seat. I gotta be able to see. I gotta bring my over here so I can see. So let's see. But I guess she can be adjusted to. Oh, oh, look at this. Y'all can flip her. So she can be in the center. Once you fix her up. Dad, we got a date tonight. Well, not tonight, but when you come home from working. All right, let's fix her up. I'm going to put some. She needs something. For. Tell her she's tangling. First. Okay, I got my little heat. Not too hot, guys. I'm not going to lay this down. I'm not going to glue it down. Let's comb it out first. She is a tinkler. Like I said, you can glue this down, but I am not. I'm not going to be utilizing the baby hairs. So I'll probably lay it down right here so that it can blend in with my skin. I'll put a little bit of this. She's cute. But she will shed and tingle and frizz. So I'm going to give you guys a 360. Let's say get this piece. Okay. Like I said, no glue. I did a little bit of spray. I'll tell you all about that at the end of the video. I'm going to give you guys a 360. So, this is the hair to the front. Ew. And here it is. No baby hairs. She's not glued down. I got enough glue. My part is not straight. Well, in my eyes, but I like it. It's just too long for me. I will be going cut. But I'm going to turn around for you guys. Turn around. There, okay. He's that photo comes here. And here is the other side of me. And here I am. Well, in my honest opinion, this is the end of this video. I'm going to give this baby here a 8. She's a shedder. She will tingle. She will get matted. And I'm going to have to cut her. But other than that, she's a beautiful wig. So, you guys think before you buy it. If you guys probably already didn't buy it or bought it. But she's been out for a while. I'm just now get to my review. But I like her. Ooh, and I like it. But I spent my money on it. But anyway, put your comments in the comment section below. Like, comment, subscribe, and share this video. Share this video to your friends, your family members, your uncles, your aunties, your sisters, whoever. But I thank you all for continue to stick around and watch my videos. I have more coming. Keep watching. Till next time, peace.